Welcome to Insight, the Urban Transport Group's new online data tool. In this video I'm going to walk you through a number of the tool's key features and teach you how to make your own visualization. To access the tool, you go to the link on our website. Here you'll find a home page with a range of topics for you to select. When you select a topic, you will land on a page with some ready-made analysis and links through to other related resources. To start and edit a chart, we always recommend that you click Pop Out to make the screen larger. This will take you through to a screen with a menu option on the right hand side. When you open this, you will always get the options for the chart that you have selected. The structure of this section is similar to that of the home page in that the data is broken down into key themes. If you press the plus button, this will give you access to sub-themes and then the data that's within them. The data sets are then broken down into different categories shown through a series of widgets. Each widget contains a rectangular box and a number of controls around it. The rectangular boxes have a drop-down menu. This allows you to select from the different options that are available in this dataset. You then have a grab handle which allows you to move the different boxes around. This will change what is shown on the different axes. We always suggest that you click Update when you've finished making changes, as this allows you to see the changes that you've made and pulls it through onto the chart. You also have options on how the data is displayed. Here we have it on the two green circles, which means that all of the data is separated out, so you get the different years and the different areas shown separately. If we were to change this to a red cross, this would mean that you would have still made the selection around the different areas, but they are now shown as one, and you just get the different years separated out. The same would happen if we turn the years off, in that you now have a total for all of the selected years for the areas that are selected. There is also a single green circle which would act to show a selection for the region. This won't always work, so you might have to try the red cross or the two green circles if this option doesn't work. Where relevant, there's also the options of how the data is displayed. Here all the data is displayed as a sum. However, you can change this to an average or the raw data. Most options will be fine with a sum, but if you want to show an average over a number of years, or if you're working with percentages, you'll probably want to use average, and you may also need to use the raw data when you just want the numbers that are in the table. Once you've used the widgets to set the parameters of the graph, you can then choose what type of chart you want to display. Depending on the options that you've selected, different types of chart will be available to you. So here we can use two types of bar chart, a line chart, or we can show the data in a table. On the right of this section is also a spanner. This allows you to change the title of the chart, or the axes, or sort into different orders. You also have the option to change the scale on the axes. Once you're happy with your graph and you've sorted all of this out, you can then share it using the button at the top left. Here you have a number of different options. Firstly, you have a code which allows you to embed it within a website. Within this code there is also a URL that you can share with people. There are also a number of different social media options which would take through an image of the chart, and you can also click email. Whenever you click Update, the chart is saved, so this chart will always be there after you've saved it. Also, if you want any more help when creating a chart, there is the question mark button which will bring up a pop-up help chart to help you create your charts. We hope that you have fun using Insight and manage to create lots of great visualizations with it.